Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the 25 RRT. This camper comes in at 30 feet 10 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right at 5,500 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have your two 20-pound LP tank bottles with the hard shell cover and the quick access lid. Diamond plate rock guard, we have your curved radius front end. Up front of the storage compartment, we have the magnetic door catch. Lots of storage up front, light integrated as well up here. We do have the LP quick disconnect right up front here with that white tag hanging. So if you have a portable gas grill, you can take it right along and tap into the gas on the camper. We also have the electric stabilizer jacks. How that works, there's a switch underneath. One leg will come down and then the other one will come down and equal out in pressure to stabilize the camper for you. We have your 15-foot power awning where each leg is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. We have your blue LED accent light underneath that. Entrance steps going in, or the sturdy steps with the wolf head cut out in the middle as well. Each leg is adjustable if you're on different levels of ground. We have your oversized grab handle, full-size black tempered glass entrance door, has an integrated window and a screen door as well. Outside speakers that light up blue. We have your TV connections out here. Right up top, we have a vent. So there is going to be a cross ventilation system. So if you're hauling anything with fumes, you can keep it aired out as you travel down the road. TV bracket, it's the same bracket on the inside. You simply lift your TV up, bring it over here and drop it in. You'll notice we have the adventure package on here with the diamond plate going along the bottom, a 2-inch lift and the off-road tires. We have the center cap popped off. These are the quick, easy lube axles. All four wheels have self-adjusting brakes and this tire pressure monitoring system. How that'll work, the side of that will turn red if you're low on air. So we'll just unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can walk around the camper before you head off for your next destination and take a look at your tire pressure. We are pet friendly. We have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along as well. We have your patio system all set up back here. You can see the fence that goes all the way around. We have a screen wall that will drop down as well to help keep the air in and the bugs out. We have your bright LED light. Backup camera is included. We also have the moon shade. It's stowed right inside the door here. It is a large canopy that will cover the whole deck area to give you extra shade out here. As we move along to this side, we're going to have your ladder prep at the very top, so you can buy a telescoping ladder separately to get up there for maintenance purposes. Here is the other vent for that cross ventilation. Underneath there is a sewer hose holder so you can store your sewer hose as you're traveling down the road. We have your furnace vent, and this is a 30 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Here we have your black tank flush. When you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook your water hose up here and that'll clean out the tank for you. We have your low pressure outside shower with your hot and cold water. Underneath that, we have your water fill where the left is your fresh water. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you you can fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. We have your city water on the right. So you hook your water hose up here and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Cable connection, so if you're at a campground that offers that, you can tap right into it. We also have this bright LED light by all your connections and dump station down below so you can see at nighttime. With the dump station, the gray handle for the gray tank and black handle for the black tank. And last but not least out here, we have your on-demand water heater. It is gas only, on-demand system, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water. So about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. And that'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 25 RRT. And now we'll take a look at the inside. And now we will move to the inside. This camper has a really nice floor plan with the separate bathroom up here to the right, with the hallway to walk through to get to the bedroom. And then you have this huge open area here. Lots of big windows back here as well. And we'll go ahead and get started right inside the entrance door. We have your vent for that cross ventilation. Main control panel to see how full your tanks are up top. Water pump switch. There are 12-volt heating pads on all of your holding tanks. The switch is there. We have your light switches and awning in and out as well. You'll notice a couple 110 outlets along the wall here. Again, with these huge picture windows, really helps to open everything up in here. In the back, we have your booth-style dinette. These are really cool. You can pull the backs off and use these as two individual beds, or you can lay the table flat, push the cushions together, and have one really large sleeping area. Again, with this patio system, helps open everything up. You have your screen wall up top. Over off to the right-hand side, you'll notice that moonshade hanging on the wall. We have overhead cabinets here with the doors on them, so you can utilize that while traveling down the road. Moving over into the kitchen area, we have lots of storage up top. The doors with the glass fronts give it a nice home feeling. Extra LED lights up top and underneath the cabinets as well. We have this really large kitchen window here. For the sink, you'll notice we got plenty of counter space on the left. The 3-burner stove there has the glass cover on it, so you can also utilize that as prep space as well. We have the high-rise faucet with this pull-out sprayer. We have a built-in soap dispenser on the right, a cup rinsing station on the left, and then we have this large farmhouse-style kitchen sink. It is a single bowl sink. It has several different attachments with it, a couple different strainers, drying rack, and cutting board that is included as well. We have storage underneath. On this bottom drawer down here on the left-hand side, it does include a built-in trash can as well. And we have some storage underneath the kitchen sink area. Take a look down there, goes all the way back to the wall. Underneath the microwave is going to be your furnace. Right up above that with the microwave, it also doubles as an air fryer and a convection microwave. Again with the 3-burner stove right up top there. Underneath your refrigerator, we have your breakers and fuses and your converter on the left-hand side. The red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch that will kill all 12-volt power to the battery for you. We have 200 watts of solar up top already on the camper. We have your voltmeter to the right and CO2 detector down below. Here we have your 12-volt refrigerator, which is also why we run 200 watts of solar up top to help run this while traveling down the road. You'll notice it's the dual swing door, meaning you can actually open it from the left-hand side. And as you can see, the 12-volt refrigerators are much deeper than the gas electrics. And you can also open it from the right-hand side here. Got a really large freezer area, goes all the way back there. Over here, we have your entertainment center. Up top, we have your TV bracket. Connections are up on the ceiling. You'll notice we have your subwoofer up here as well. AC is roof mounted and ducted through. Decorative wallboard here. We have your stereo, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible. Storage underneath here. And we have your shoe garage at the very bottom. You'll notice that the tie downs go all the way up as well, so you can utilize the entire garage area and still continue to tie stuff down up here. In the hallway, as we make our way up, we have your digital thermostat. That will run your air conditioner and furnace for you. Next, we'll move into the bathroom area. Right inside, we have your toilet, which has plenty of leg room on both sides. Up top, we have this large exhaust fan. That is a multi-speed exhaust fan. We have your medicine cabinet. Lots of storage behind there. Down below with the 110 outlet, we have this really large sink in the bathroom as well. Oftentimes you'll find a really tiny sink in the bathroom, but this is a massive sink here. Extra storage down below. We also have your corner shower, giving you extra room in here as well. Plenty of room in the corner showers. They have the nice sliding doors going around them, so you don't have to fight the shower curtain. And then we have a skylight up top as well. Over here, right inside the door to your left-hand side, we are going to have extra storage cabinets. I'll open one of these up here so we can see inside. Got the double door storage over here. And then over here on the left-hand side, we have your digital thermostat. That is going to run your on-demand water heater, and that will allow you to turn that on and off and control the temperature of the water as well. And now we're going to swing around and take a look up in the bedroom area. You can get directly to the bedroom from the bathroom. And there's also the door that leads right out into the hallway. As we move inside to the bedroom area, we have your oversized bed. You'll notice the two decorative storage totes here on the right-hand side. Underneath the bed, On the right and left hand side is going to be 2 of those totes. So you simply slide them in and out for easy access to your storage. And if you lift the bed, there is still going to be some storage in the middle of the bed as well. Over here we have your TV connections in the bedroom with the bracket already on the wall. We have your connections up top on the ceiling. In the bedroom, you're going to get a window on both sides. Built-in nightstands on both sides with your 110 and 12 volt charge ports. We have your hanging storage on the left and right hand side. Up top, we're going to get more storage that have the cabinet doors, so you can utilize that while traveling as well. You have lights right up above the bed. Again, more storage over here. And then right here on this nightstand, you're going to notice the 110 outlet looks a little bit different. That has a built-in inverter. So as you're traveling down the road, you can turn that on even if you're at a rest stop and only have 12 volt power. You can turn on that outlet and have 110 power to that outlet right there. So another cool feature. And now we're going to walk back out into the main living room area, get a nice overview of the camper. Kind of wanted to show you some of these tie downs here as well. So we know they come all the way up front, but they also go all the way to the back as well. You'll notice we have the 2 extras straight back. And on the left-hand side, you can see where it starts to go underneath the couch area. Those will continue all the way back. And at the very top, towards the back of the camper, you'll notice we have 2 more interior speakers that light up blue. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 25 RRT. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.